We're leaving her links down below to her nail shop, to her Instagram, and all that good stuff, so you guys can either shop. This is what you guys will be getting if you guys win. I will be running this giveaway for 1 week. I want to get this giveaway quick and done because I will be having another giveaway once we reach 1K, which is actually very soon, so I'm so excited for that. So here we have this note, and can I just say her logo is probably one of the prettiest that I've ever seen. It's so like, I don't know, professional, and it looks very luxurious. This is what she says. She pretty much says my name, all that good stuff. And so the chosen winner will receive the exact same box, so they will receive the exact same thing that I received here. So we do have a ton of stuff I will be showing you guys right after this. So here are all the prices if you are interested in purchasing them. Like I said, definitely support her. I think this is so nice of her to do. And yeah, and I think her prices are actually very convenient. I mean, look at that, the prices are very good. Okay, so the first things we have, I'm gonna go ahead and move everything out the way and just show you guys one thing at a time. So here we have, let me see, I love these things, they're so fun to pop. Let me give you guys some quick ASMR. Okay, enough of that. So here we have follow me, which is her Instagram, JELLYNAILS1. And let me tell you guys, I love the stuff that I got in this thing in the box, because I was just about to purchase one of these because I needed to do a video, something like similar to Gel X that I'm gonna go ahead and try to be filming tonight. So this is actually UV light, and I love it so much. It does not come with batteries. I actually went ahead and just put the batteries barely right now, but I really love it, so good. So this is definitely one thing that I really needed, so I'm so happy that I was able to, you know, get that. Okay, these are some swatches, and these are actually almond type of shape. They're not stiletto. Let me show you guys. I've been trying to find some of these. These are so pretty, and they're actually not too big but not too small either. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the swatches that I have. Here are my stiletto ones, and these are more rounder, and I actually like how these look. And I've been searching for some of these to try to do my swatch of my poly gel. I mean my gels. These are some of the gels that I have. These are not actually all. But yeah, so I'm so happy she has these. I've been looking for them. Okay, these, I have no idea how to use these actually, so let me show you guys them. Okay, so here we have hearts, we have squares, some type of oval type shape, circles, triangles, and these seem like ovals. And we have a similar thing, just in metallic silver. I am super excited to try making some stuff with these because I've always wanted to purchase them, but I have no idea how to use them. Okay, so we have some stones. I'm pretty sure they're AB rhinestones. Okay. I love that everything is so packaged, like every single item. Okay, so here they are. Let me try to. Just like that, they're pretty. So next we have this one, which is bigger. Let me try to turn them on. Okay, so it says follow me. Here's the Instagram. Then we have some foils. These foils are so pretty. Okay, this is definitely my favorite one. Okay, I can't decide between these two pink. I'm not much of a pink girl, but once I started doing nails, I kind of started falling in love with the color pink. Okay, I can feel these are not bendy at all. Okay, these are super good. Lastly, we have these decal stickers, whatever you want to call them. So first we have these Old English, I believe they're called. Let's see if I can open these. these old English letters. They're in a rose gold color. They're super cute. Then we have, these are actually gold color. And this is how they look. Super cute. These are actually Dia de los Muertos. I might be doing the design, I'm not too sure, but this is how they look. They are perfect. They really came to me in the right time since Halloween. Actually, by the time I upload this video, it's gonna probably be too close to Halloween, so no point in, you know, making a Halloween design. Okay, these are some hippie, I think hippie stickers or something like that. I just kind of read it and I was like, huh, I'm kind of interested. So I think it says hippie weed smiley face stickers. It was for $3. Okay, and I love these. These are so cute. Okay, so I have a very emotional, I don't know, but I absolutely love roses. Roses are like my favorite thing ever. Love roses. I just love roses. But we have some cactuses, the smiley faces, hearts, lips. I have no idea what that sign is called. I have a very forgetful mind. Very forgetful. We have some flames. Okay, but let me try to show you guys a little. I feel like I didn't really show much of this one. So here, I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, the flowers are. The flowers are stickers. So yeah, some of those schools from Dia de los Muertos. Then we have ghosts, pumpkins, bats, flowers, candy, so much fun stuff. Okay guys, that is it. I went ahead and showed you guys all this stuff here, all this stuff again, if you guys want to see them all together. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out Jelly Nails Instagram or her website, or you just want to shop her stuff, because her stuff are pretty cheap. I think they're a very decent price. I'll leave a link down to her website below. Like I said, this is a collaboration giveaway that I am doing with JELLYNAILS1. So this Instagram will be held on this giveaway will be held on my Instagram. I am aware that some of you guys do not have Instagram, so I will be doing a separate giveaway pretty soon once I reach 1,000 for you guys. And also, I do want to let you guys know that if you are from YouTube and if you are subscribed, you automatically get a bonus entry. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And stay tuned for another giveaway that we'll be doing very soon, which I'm pretty excited. And I actually been working on it from the start. So yeah, see you guys.